You know how you like shit proper low down? Do you not have to like boost your seat up?
What do you mean?
Like, you know how them cars have like the little razor?
Yeah, mine's all the way down.
Is it?
Yeah, feels really high.
Bro, I slouch so much in a car, bro.
Nah, man, this feels really fucking high, if anything.
Oh, yeah. The filter's black on as well, which is...
Yeah, man, bit of nice, bit of nice.
What the fuck is that, bro? Chill with your out. There's coffee there, coffee. You didn't even clock that either, did you?
What the fuck? I'm none the wiser. Do you know how many people have been done down here for fucking doing like loads down here? I mean,
loads.
Speed limit, loads. High over it.
Yeah, bro. You know, bro.
Where the fuck were the cop car, bro? That's why I didn't spot them, bro. They're wearing black, innit?
Were they not in the Toyota Yaris?
Nah, the Toyota Yaris got stopped, bro. I don't know how he got stopped, and they're on foot, bro. We'll see it on foot. We'll see the footage. She's racing.
Beat him already, and I'm sat down. But obviously, then again, it just depends how you use the car. If you're driving like this, then
oh, how much? What? Let's say it's
21 miles per gallon. I thought it was a zebra. Not a George Metro.
Going down there. We're taking that sheep out, nasty.
Wow.
Maybe if you move over a tiny bit now. Brakes are working. Oh my god, last night we're driving, right? I went like into this corner, but it weren't local, it was fucking just weren't round here, right? I didn't really know it, but I've done the road a couple of times, and I went into it 70, right? And the thing is, it was fine, right? The corner, it was sharp, it weren't too sharp. The fact is, the corner was inside of a dip, so you went in the dip, you turn and then back out. So at 70, the back end once again come out of a drive though, so it made it sketchier. So my front end started losing traction. You felt it like understeer, so I'm steering to the right, car's going left, and then all of a sudden I'm getting obviously like traction control flashing at me, and then the back end, you fully heard it like slam into the ground like sideways, like yeah, and then oh, fucking horrible. Luckily I came out alive, but like my springs definitely compressed all the way down, like oh.
What the fuck? How are we here?
What the?
How are we up here?
What do you mean?
That road takes you up here?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
You know, to be fair, I only learned that not long ago either.
Come on, man, are you taking the piss, man? My phone's not working. Alright, no, bro. We'll start from this one here.
Oh, what is that indicator, bro? You can't even see it, she's actually fucking turning. Look at this Camaro, bro. After.
Hello.
It's a left-hand drive too.
Hey.
That is fucking fire. Is this guy going?
I want to hear it.
Oh no, he's not coming this way, fuck.
Want to do business, mate. Free shipping enabled.
Man said, good news, you got time to charge the GoPros till weekend. Bro. What capacity is your battery, bro?
6.
Even 6.
This is on your phone, yeah?
Third gear doing 70, what the hell? Oh, mad.
It'll be sick.
Right, no, this is actually a bit basic. Fuck's sake.
Oh, why is everyone going this way?
What the fuck?
Motherfucker.
Oh god! Oh shit, no, I didn't see the car. My bad, my fault. Oh my god, you lot are pissing me off. Cause, yeah, you...
Blur the sound out. Yeah,
that's what you said, blurs.
That's mad, yeah, I didn't realise that. Send me.
Bro, I just gapped him, bro. Fucking
Yeah,
get gapped. Tell you what, this part of the road is nice, but I don't want to catch up with traffic. He's sending it, to be fair, that guy.
This is why I come on my driving, bro. And every single time the guy tells me not to send it, bro, and I just want to do what you're doing. Oh, he's just passed, bro. Fucking Hyundai i30.
Oh shit, he wants to go for it though. Look at him. Oh, come on, there, boy. Do you see that, though? Yeah. He's a jockey driver, bro. Is that this? Elbow delete.
Elbow delete.
Come on, there, boy. Oh, what a dodgy bastard. Don't do that on a corner, you mad guy. He wants to fucking wrap his car into a fence. This is content. This guy's he's gonna crash him.
Oi, you know, cause yo.
Nah, I can't do it here, man. I'm not a dickhead. I am not a twat. Up a hill, he's freshly passed as well. What a sausage.
We were 5 seconds away from that.
Yeah, man, no worth it. I'll catch up to him, though, don't worry.
He's on pro.
Nah, trust me.
On the straight, there's a straight, yeah, there's a straight. Send it. That's it. Wanky. Bit of a blind corner to your left, yeah. Oh, he's gone, lad. Are we following?
Yeah, fuck it. Oh, he's going right. Oh, I don't want to go right, though. Oh, piss off. I thought he was going left.
Same, by the way, the car was positioned.
Isn't it? You were going to go left then. He switched up. Tractor.
Why was he in tune forward, bro? He was ready to roll us all.
He was yearning for a head-on collision.
It's a bit moving down here, pre-warning. There was nothing in front of us. Come on, man.
5 just spawned in. They just rendered in. Mad.
We're playing a set of goals there. Fucking, my man just spawned in. 5 just spawned in with him. I feel like I'm in an RC car.
You feel like you're inside of an RC car.
Why am I jumping in my own seat? What is it?
Just an Audi. It's just right up here. Do you not see all speed bumps?
Is it behind you again?
Yeah, he's right up my fucking backside. Yeah, he's gonna crash into me in a second, watch. He's right behind me. He sped up when I sped up back on.
Put the Burger King brake on.
I'm waiting for a push.
Ah, my
my head.
My hair.
My head.
My hair.
My head. My head. What's he doing? He's trying to overtake me. I'm going left here, so I want him to come. Right, you want to fucking... Oh my god, you sausage of a woman. Yeah, he's coming. I'm telling you, bro. There's a Cooper behind me as well, fuck's sake. What's going on?
Hello. Oh, bro, the guy in front is fucking obvious.
Guy in front?
Yeah.
Or the other?
No, the one in front of you. He's trying to write you off, bro.
He wants the insurance claim himself.
Yeah, he wants the insurance claim. I think send. Oh hello. Oh hello. Just at the Cooper. Cooper's gone.
Oh, he's going Asda. No, we're not following him then.
No, we're not. Oh, he's coming back that way. He's coming back that way. Watch, he's gonna be. No, no, turn away. Turn away. He's actually.
Cooper's behind here.
Wait. Bet you he's there. He's there. Wait.
Alright, Cooper's gone. Cooper's gone. He is as well. Is it him?
Yeah, it is. It is. Is he coming?
Nah, he's turned. He's turned. What's hanging off of his car then? You see that? Bottom?
Ooh.
Looks a bit unsafe.
Or is it Toyota?
Oh shit. I got steering wheel.
I've seen that, boy.